Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. Don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss any of my wig related content. I am going to show you a wig today from Superhairpieces. It's their Rachel wig. It's in the color S16, which is the white tiramisu. And I have not even taken it out of the bag or anything. So we're gonna unbag it, unbox, all that kind of stuff. We'll cut the lace, we'll move the part and get it ready to wear, all in this video. Okay, so first things first, I guess we should take it out of the bag. So it came just in this box, in a bag. Nothing else inside the box. No, there was nothing else. Sometimes I put things, like I pull the wig caps out or whatever. So I'm like, did it have wig caps? I don't think it did. Did not. It did not. So it is labeled Rachel S16 Tiramisu, which is the color. So it is in a net with some stuffing. So take the stuffing out. And then pull the net. Oh, the net's just falling off. Pull the net off. Okay, so this white tiramisu is a kind of a caramely brunette root with a yellowy blonde, light, warm, yellowish blonde. Let's see what their description is of this color. So this color, they say, is sorry, I can't read my thing, an 8 root 18613. It says it's a platinum blonde rooted 8 medium brown root, golden medium brown, which it definitely is golden, an 18, which is a dark blonde, and a 613, which is the platinum. So that's your color. Let me show you the inside of the cap. So this one is a T part, middle part. They call it a T part because, as you can see, it looks like a T with that middle part and then the lace front. The lace front goes, oh, there are no ear tabs. Ugh, that might not work very well for me. The lace front just goes from here to, just across the front. We'll see how far down it goes when I put it on. And then you have a middle part. There are some clips right here, which I guess are to clip that into your own hair. No ear tabs, which is disappointing for me because I don't have any hair here. I need ear tabs. We'll see what it looks like. Clips there. That looks like it's more towards like back here, behind the ear, but we'll see where that clip ends up falling. Closed wefted cap. It has an extended nape. Are there metals? There are metal stays in the nape. There's a comb there, hook adjusters. This is a size small cap, or it's a 21.5 inch cap, I believe. 21 inch circumference cap. Front to back, they say the cap is 13.75 inches. Ear to ear, it's 13. Temple to temple across the front, 13. Nape, 5 inches. Maybe that's the cap. Okay, it is. Sorry, y'all. Like I said, I'm like brand new looking at this, and I just wanted to unbox it and kind of experience it with you all firsthand. So hair-wise, I'll give you the layers on the hair whenever I put it on. So, okay, so that's the cap. So let me go ahead and put it on. I need to brush it just a little bit. I'm really anxious to see how this is going to fit. So, okay, so I'm going to put my thumbs right there where the adjusters are. Pop it on. Now that lace is still going to be there at the front. It's not a super long piece of lace, but definitely has some box hair. Needs some work. So where are those combs at the side? Those are like behind my ears. That's weird. Those combs are right here. So they would end up falling, yeah, right behind the ear like I was thinking. No ear tabs. So I don't love the way that hairline looks on me, unfortunately, because I need ear tabs. I did not realize that this one was going to be no ear tabs. It's kind of hard to line up because there's no ear tabs. Okay, I think that's lined up right. All right, so there's the lace front. The knots don't look too bad. And then that middle part, we can't really deviate much from that middle part, so I guess we won't be moving the part. It has a little box here, which is to be expected, you know, just fresh coming out of the box. But I'm not super crazy about the way this looks on me. That cap doesn't look great right there either. I'm not super crazy about the way that looks on me with no ear tabs. It just doesn't really work for my type of hair loss, I don't think. I mean, I would not be real comfortable like pulling that back. If you have hair there, your hair is going to show, so keep that in mind. So you'd want to blend it. So okay, let's take a break and cut the lace. Have that aimed up so y'all can see it. So I am just going to claw clip this hair back out of the way. The hair's really nice. If I remember correctly, these usually dry. This is Chinese hair, so it usually dries kind of wavy. So, okay, now these little hairs that you're seeing here are what we call return hairs. I don't know if you can see those little wispy hairs. That's when the hair's being put into the cap. You get these little ends sometimes, and you can cut those off. Or what I usually try to do is just smooth them down so that they just incorporate into the hair. Or sometimes they'll look like baby hairs, which isn't bad, you know. So let me reclip this one a little bit. I just like to have it tight. And some of those little return hairs may get clipped because they're just in the way. All right, and then I've just got some really sharp scissors. Just gonna go here right along the hairline. Now it's best to kind of leave a little extra lace initially because you can always go back and trim it up more, but you can't put it back on, of course, so. So I start on one side and then I go over here to the other side. And if you trim a few hairs, it is not the end of the world. Don't worry about it. Okay, get it to that middle. I'm trying to do it so I don't have my hands in y'all's way. Here, let me. Okay, so cut that piece away and we'll go try it back on. Decided I am gonna work on this kind of, you know, box hair a little bit with the hot comb. So I thought, well, I'll film that too so y'all can see what it is that I'm gonna do. Okay, so here we are after cutting the lace and getting that box hair out. I have to say those little bumps in, you know, from the box hair really came out easily. It only took me about 5 minutes, you know, to get those smoothed out. Now this one is, oh, there's a little bit back here. I guess I missed, but now this one is going to be a dedicated middle part. So I don't think it's just not a real wide part. I guess you could probably sort of go to the side of that a little bit and get a little more of a side part. That would be my preference. get a little bit of a side part. Oh yeah, I like that better. You're just gonna have to really watch that you don't get too close to the edge over there, you know. So yeah, I like that better on me. So show it to you again now that I have the lace cut and everything. So the hair's really, really nice. It's really, really pretty. It's not particularly my color, but the good thing about this hair being this light is that I can darken it. So if you ever want to get a human hair piece and you think you want to put low lights in and darken it a bit, you can go with a blonder piece like this, and then you have that canvas to darken it. They say that you should not try to lighten human hair wigs, but you can definitely go in and have them darkened. And I have had human hair wigs darkened before. So I'm bummed about the ear tab situation. I guess it's not too bad. Like if I pull it back, I don't know though. I don't like the way that edge looks. That doesn't look good. That's actually the adjuster. Yeah, I have some issues with the ear tab area. I would not be comfortable, like, it's a beautiful wig to be able to pull up like this, but I would not be that comfortable with it because that's the adjuster strap that's all the way up here. It's too bad that it would be nice if that was encased in the cap. Then you eliminate that kind of an issue where you can see that's right where it attaches. It attaches right here, kind of where the lace front ends. Interesting cap. I don't know, kind of different. I think this cap is designed for people who have hair underneath. I really do. I don't think this is necessarily designed for those of us who are half bald, you know, all the way up to being completely bald. So let me give you the measurements. We have 16 to 17 inches on what they call the top layer. So that would be, I guess, the top part of the wig. Overall, it's 20 inches long. And the back is 13 to 14 inches, they say. The tag is still on it, by the way. I forgot to cut the tag off. So sorry about that. The tag's still there. But you know, it would be a really great wig for, you know, a ponytail and stuff if it had the right hairline, but I can't wear it that way because the hairline just isn't, you know, like I said, the lack of ear tabs on my type of hair loss are definitely an issue. And for you, if you have hair there, you're going to want to make sure that your hair matches probably the root color. And I still don't know about, I think we're all going to have a problem with that strap showing. That's something that would make me kind of self-conscious, like, oh gosh, did I hide that strap? You know, I'm just trying to be completely honest. This is a budget-friendly human hair wig, but it's still $700 something. It's like $719, so it's not cheap. So, you know, I just want to be honest with y'all. So I'm going to take this around the house and show it to you in some different lighting. And then we'll wrap things up. Give you some final opinions. So my biggest thing I don't like is this ear tab on this side. I don't like the fact that the strap shows. And I've also noticed, I went to see if it was like, you know, how ear tuckable it is. And I thought, why is my ear bent out like that? My ear is bent out like that because the cap is a little bit too big for me. The last one they sent me, the small cap, fit me really nicely. But, and this one's supposed to be a 21-inch cap. So it is impinging on the back of my ears. And oh gosh, that clip just got me in the ear. I got to give the cap construction kind of an I don't really like it. I don't think it's the best cap in the world. You know, you could tuck it behind your ears. If you're larger, if you're like a 21.5, I think this might fit you better. But just keep in mind, like there aren't any ear tabs, and so that strap is showing on the cap, which I don't like. I do think the hair is really, really pretty. even though this isn't the best color for me, I know some of you might really like this light blonde with a light golden medium brown root. I do think it's a pretty color. I just don't necessarily think it's the best color for me. Like I said, the hair is really, really nice, really, really pretty. Let me see if there's anything I forgot to tell y'all. No, I don't think so. I think I covered everything. You can do an online consultation with them, you know, before you purchase, which I think is a really, really excellent idea. Anytime you're purchasing a human hair wig, I think that you should initially try to do an online consultation. So I want to thank Superhairpieces for sending this wig to me so that I could give you an honest review on it. I will have an affiliate link that you can purchase through down in the description box if you're interested in purchasing the Rachel wig. So thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. Until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye-bye.